You can follow this tutorial with any Autodesk Sketchbook version. You can paint with any digital pen or with your fingers. This is a tutorial without pressure levels. Hello guys, I'm back and I want to show you a very easy tutorial. Take a blue color and smear it on the canvas, like this. Then take the blending brush and blend the color so you get a cloudy blue sky. It's more white than blue. It's very cloudy and cold. Next we create some very far away hills or mountains with a very light gray, almost white. I like the synthetic paint brushes because it feels like real acrylic painting. It feels very slurpy when you paint on this paint. I think you have already realized that we create lots of layers of hills or mountains. The closer we get, the more intense the colors are. Today we don't use layers so often, because it's like a real acrylic painting. Next we create the forest far away, so we make a tree line with very small strokes like this. When you're ready, paint out the lower area. Now we are ready for the lake. For this we use the selection tool. We make this because we want a straight line for the sea level. For the lake, use a very dark color. Use the color picker and copy the colors from above. We create the reflection, and this will be so cool. Now this is fun. Use the smudge web brush and paint from the middle to right, from the middle to left, from the middle to right, and so on. This looks great, and it's so easy and simple. Now we don't need the selection tool anymore. Put it away. The water is a little bit boring, so we need some waves. So use the settings for the brush and hold and make this zigzag line horizontal. hold and zigzag. It's so easy and it looks amazing. Wow, cool! I think the lake looks great. But the foreground mountains need more details. Use the color of this mountain line and put it on like this. Here I make an example, like this, white pink. Yes, wipe the colors on like this. Wipe it on. Wipe it on. Next we make some clouds, very easy with the salty watercolor brush. Make it exactly like I do. That's great, it covers the ugly mountains in the background. Yes, I didn't really succeed with those, but you can embellish everything. Now we cheat a little bit and make a new layer. But it's easier to do the foreground, because when you are not happy with the foreground, you can erase it easily. And now you make some very big decisions. Search for a good spot where you put your foreground trees. They shouldn't hide the background a lot. Don't make too many trees. 2 trees are enough. When the trees are happy, make some small branches. Also make some branches on the floor. With the smudge wet brush, it's so easy to make some grass on the floor. And finally, you smear some bark on the trees using the zigzag technique. Smear the bark on very roughly. It will look great, trust me. Wonderful, we are finished. I think it looks not that bad. It's a little sweet and easy painting project. I hope you have fun with it and I hope I have time for more. Goodbye, my friends.